Hello again, and welcome to brand new content about TISAX. I hope you will enjoy the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. For more information and the latest blog, visit us at www.tisaxusa.com. Like always, we will jump right in, so let's get started. If your company needs to begin the TISAX process, the first practical step is registration in the ENX portal. This is the platform used to manage TISAX participation, define what will be assessed, and later share assessment results with business partners. It starts with creating a personal user account. Usually, this should be done by the person who will help manage the TISAX process inside the company. Once that account is created, the next step is registering the company itself as a TISAX participant. During this stage, you enter basic company details and accept the participation terms. After that, the most important part begins, defining your assessment scope. The scope tells the audit provider exactly what is included in the assessment. In simple terms, it defines which parts of your organization, which locations, and which requirements need to be reviewed. You will also choose the assessment objectives. These depend on the type of information or activities involved in your business relationship. For example, one company may need to show protection of confidential information, while another may also need prototype protection or data protection. Then you add the locations that belong to the scope. Even if your information security is managed centrally, each site and scope matters because each location may have different risks, processes, and physical conditions. You will also enter supporting details that help audit providers understand the size and structure of the scope so they can estimate the assessment effort more accurately. Once the scope is submitted, ENX reviews the registration. After approval, you can approach TISAX audit providers and request quotes. Later, when the assessment is completed, the ENX portal is also used to exchange results securely with your customers and partners. That is what makes the registration step so important. It is not just admin work, it lays the foundation for the entire TISAX assessment and for how your results will later be shared. My name is Daniel McLain, and I hope this information will be helpful. And if you need more information or have detailed questions, feel free to reach out to us at www.tisaxusa.com. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for more informational content about TISAX.